Good afternoon, visitors. Right now we have the Philip R Clarke arriving through the Duluth Ship Canal. The Philip R Clarke was built in 1952 by the American Shipbuilding Company at Lorain, Ohio. She measures 767 feet in length, 70 feet in width, and 36 feet in depth. She is powered by a 7,700 horsepower Westinghouse steam turbine engine, which gives her a top speed of 14 knots or about 16 miles per hour. She is also equipped with bow and stern thrusters to aid her maneuverability in port. The Philip R Clarke has 23 hatches on her deck, which open into 7 cargo holds located below deck. Each hatch covering measures 46 by 11 feet. She has a maximum carrying capacity of 25,300 tons. Above her deck is a 262-foot self-unloading boob, which allows her to unload her own cargo at a rate of 6,700 tons per hour without the aid of shoreside equipment. The Philip R Clarke is owned by the Duluth-based Great Lakes Fleet, a subsidiary of Canadian National Railway, and operated by Key Lakes Incorporated, also of Duluth. The Clarke is arriving in Duluth today with a load of limestone that she'll be discharging at Hallett dock number 5. If you see any crew members on deck, make sure to give them a big wave and welcome them back to the Twin Ports. What you just heard there is known as the Master Salute. That's 3 long horns followed by 2 short horns. It's a little bit of a more formal greeting, so a little bit of a special treat for you there today. Once again, the Philip R Clarke was built in 1952 by the American Shipbuilding Company at Lorain, Ohio. She measures 767 feet in length, 70 feet in width, and 36 feet in depth. This is the Philip R Clarke's 70th year in service on the Great Lakes. The Clarke made her maiden voyage to Duluth in May of 1952 for a load of iron ore from Pontiac, Ohio. In 1975, she was lengthened by 120 feet at Fraser Shipyards here in Superior, Wisconsin. They're arriving today with a load of limestone. Make sure to welcome the Clarke back to the Twin Ports.